Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Gibson Learn to Play Guitar app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Gibson is a guitar learning app designed to help beginners and intermediate players improve their skills through step-by-step lessons, real-time feedback, and an extensive library of songs. It works with acoustic and electric guitars and uses your device's microphone to detect your playing. The app provides structured lesson paths, chord libraries, and practice routines to build technique and accuracy. The main feature of Gibson is its guided learning approach. You choose a skill level, follow video lessons, practice chords and riffs, and get instant visual feedback when notes are played correctly. It also includes artist-inspired lessons, tempo control, and daily practice goals to help learners stay consistent. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in real use. Many users appreciate its clear lessons, responsive note detection, and high-quality instructor videos. The app helps guitarists stay motivated by showing progress visually and offering structured weekly goals. The variety of songs and techniques also makes it suitable for different music styles. However, there are drawbacks. Some features and full song access require a subscription. Note detection may struggle in noisy environments or with low-quality microphones. Advanced players may find the content limited, and the app relies heavily on stable audio input for accurate feedback. In summary, the Gibson app may be worth using if you want structured guitar lessons, real-time feedback, and a guided learning path that keeps you improving at a steady pace. However, if you prefer free learning options, need advanced material, or don't want subscription-based access, it might not be the best fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.